Welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, I am here on South Street at Pizza Place, formerly known as Jules, with my good friend Mike. Now he's the owner of Pizza the Action on 5th and South. Come down, check him out. He's got a challenge called the Philly Taco. You remember the other video we did when we filmed the Philly Taco. Now, he's turned it in to a competition.
First of all, Frank, thanks for coming back to now Pizza the Action.
A year later,
known
guys.
as Jules. And yes, we are bringing the Philly Taco back to South Street. We are doing a challenge and we're taking it up one step higher than the last time when Frankie was out here before, because now we've gone even bigger with the pizza. We've gone from 28 inches to 30 inches. We got a double meat, cheesesteak, wrapped in the big slice on a bed of fries. You complete the challenge, you win cash, prizes, and a VIP card for life at the Pizza the Action. And before we go any further, yes, I'm the owner, but I also have my co-owner and my partner in life, my wife, Michelle. Michelle, please.
Thank you for being on Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Just to let you guys know, we all grew up in the same neighborhood, right around the corner from each other. South Philly, in the house.
In the house.
So I'm happy to be able to bring the Philly Taco back. I'm happy to be able to do a spin on it. As before, as I mentioned in the Jules video, not only do you have to do a cheesesteak, but you can also do a chicken parm, a chicken cheesesteak, a meatball, a veggie,
The
any of our
Frankie
sandwiches.
meatball.
The Frankie meatball, I'm sorry, bud. The Frankie meatball. Any sandwich you want, you wrap it in our big slice, you make your own Philly Taco. There's no limitations here. So, with that being said, Frank?
So, we called in the legend, the man, the myth, Notorious B.O.B. to complete the challenge. You guys know him. If you don't, get to know him. Follow him on YouTube. Check out his videos. 50 tacos, 1 bite Whopper, 13 pounds at a buffet. Forget about it. This guy could put it down. Bob, thank you for being on Cooking with Frankie and Meatball.
Thanks for having me. Thank
Thanks
you
for coming,
too as
Bob.
well. There's a wing eating contest called the Philadelphia Wing Bowl. I've been very fortunate to do very well there. I won brand new cars 3 years in a row there. I was Wing Bowl 25 champion, the only person from the state of Pennsylvania to win Wing Bowl in the 26 years of Wing Bowl. A lot of out-of-towners. So I've done stuff from, at Reading Phillies, I did 59.6 pounds of food in 4 hours. I've done 23.4 pounds in 6 minutes. So I have lots of different stuff, from speed challenges to 39 hamburgers in 2 minutes, all over the place. But I usually have to travel to get something great and exciting and fun to do. Now I just had to come downtown, and it's right here. This challenge, everybody should try it out. It doesn't set, even if you lose, it doesn't set you back. Like some challenges I'm in, you're at 150 bucks if you lose. This is just fun, it's bragging rights. There should be groups of frat guys coming down here, groups of people coming down, everybody ordering it and trying the challenge. It's not gonna set you back that much. And it's great food. So I'm excited, I didn't have to get on a plane to do something fun.
All right. So here you have it. Stay tuned. We'll be back.
She dropped the curse without a trace. Now you got in my way, but you want me to stay. Got you stuck in my head. You don't need me to plead, 'cause you got what I need. Now you're stuck in my head. Tell me this ain't real, I'm not no sense of feel.
And I cooked the onions in it. Let me get the flavor. I don't add the one after. I cook them in.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I don't chop them up. I don't dice them. I do them thin because it just permeates more into the meat, the flavor. It just makes it a whole better experience. I don't know about you, but I hate biting into a steak and getting a big chunk of onion. I'd like to have a combination of everything. Actually, you got a pound and a half. Place your Philly cheesesteak right dead center. Roll it up. Roll it with those.
that total weight number, guys? 5 pounds of food. Lather it up with some ketchup.
Hopefully make these go quicker. I know it's going to make it messier, so interesting.
You ready? I'll hit the button when you're ready. You tell me.
All right, I'm ready whenever you are. Noah, can you do me a favor? If I'm getting my butt kicked, you gotta tell me you better start dunking. Okay? All right.
Ready?
I think so. The strategies. I'm gonna go fries first. I think the cheesesteak meat is still hot because there's so much meat on there. I want to give that an extra minute or 5, whatever, to cool down. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Second chances come and go, but ain't worth the waiting. Your stolen hours are mine just for taking. Standing here and empty, so I'm filled with this pain. And every breath I breathe is just enough for complaining. So go ahead, run from me. As I fall to my knees, lay me down. I'm falling, and still to you I'm crawling again. Afraid you will never know my thoughts contemplating. The day you left me, I started self-hating. My mind just won't let go of all the frozen faces, and you, I lost control, and I don't know where my place is. So go ahead, run from me. As I fall to my knees, lay me down. I'm falling, and still to you I'm crawling.
Fries are done. I have like 7.5 minutes to do this monster cheesesteak.
So go ahead, I'm falling, and still to you I'm crawling again,
Fries are cool.
and again, and again, and again, and again, and So go ahead, run from me. As I fall to my knees, lay me down. I'm falling, and still to you I'm crawling. Well, take the mask off your eyes, and you will see my blood just dry. So go ahead.
Here we go, guys. It's down to the last couple bites. We're up at 7 minutes. I never seen somebody kill food like that before. That's amazing. Look at this. This guy is a true professional, guys. This is a true professional right here. Woo. 7:28. Look at that.
Yeah!
That was good.
7:28. Wow.
That was really good. Way better than I thought it was going to be. It just seems like there's so much food that I didn't think it'd possibly come out tasting as good as it did. I knew it was going to be good, but I was not expecting this level. That cheesesteak, fantastic. And it's just the right crust on that thing. Like that, the pizza is the right thickness where it's not overpowering a pizza. It's the right mix of a Philly taco. So thanks for having me. I'm so thrilled. First person to ever complete the challenge.
Now that's the reason why my man is wearing that ring. Check that ring out, guys. It's not a Super Bowl, it's a winged bowl ring. the man, the myth, the legend. Bob, thank you for coming. We're cooking with Frankie and Meatball. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to click his link at the end of this video. Again, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Every Wednesday I put out a new video, and don't forget to check out PhillyRockRadio.com for all your rock and roll news. And we're here at Pieces the Action on 5th and South. I'm the Meat See you next time.
Congratulations on defeating the Philly Taco Challenge and being the first to do so.
Oh, this is awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We will be
Thank
immortalized
you.
if you
Great
want
to
to
have you.
Yeah, I don't have to wear B.O.B stuff all the time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
If Bob can do it, you can do it. Forget about it, hey? It's a Frankie Meatball production.